Good morning from home this morning. This week did not turn out quite the way we were kind of expecting it to. So by now we were hoping to have done like 3 field trips with the kids, which would have been travel within like 2 hours of our house. But things happen. I mean, life happens. So instead of focusing on things we can't change right now, I decided to refocus and start my basically fall prep cleaning so that when the holidays come, we can take time off from school, get things done that's like minimal, just get stuff done and just enjoy the holidays together. So I know it's like the end of September when I'm filming this, but I just want to just get stuff done today. So my first thing I'm going to be starting with on camera. I do cleaning off camera. First thing I'm going to start with on camera. You've seen the kitchen. There's 2 videos on it, including the one when you're watching this will be 2 days ago and then 4 days ago of just, I got tired of our kitchen. So the big thing with the kitchen was the Keurig used to be to the left of the sink where we wash on the left side of the sink because the drain on the right side doesn't work well. So we washed on the left side, so all the water kept going under the Keurig. We didn't like that. So then we moved it to the right side of the sink. Well, then that didn't work either with the drink station the way we wanted it to be functional and pretty. We wanted it to be not pretty, well, pretty for me, but like we wanted it to be functional and look nice. So it was so that when we came home, our home was a space that looked warm and inviting and a place to relax, not a place to constantly be cleaning. So we rearranged mostly for that. And then I just found just cabinet space was not working for me of like getting the groceries that we needed for the holidays stock up for our they're expecting the South to get like hit with some major cold weather this year, and when our road freezes, it's not drivable because it would be like trying to drive down a ski slope. It literally would. So when the road freezes, we don't go anywhere. Like we stay home. So if that happens, I want to have food set aside so that we don't have to try to get out on dangerous roads and try to go to the grocery store. So I'm trying to get our winter stock up done. I'm trying to get our buying ahead for the holidays, because like I've explained that in another video, we're trying to get all of our food stocked, all of our dry goods stocked up before the holidays, so that the week of the holidays we're not trying to buy groceries plus the holiday food plus Christmas gifts plus and could just maybe refocus some of that money towards spending time together as a family while Matt's off work, because his time off is limited. So first goal for me today is my room. I want to get, I went to watch The Comforter last night, filming, not uploading, filming wise, last night. And normally in the summer we do a lightweight quilt because it gets so hot in our room in the South at nights. Our room doesn't cool off that great. So we normally do a lightweight quilt. Well, I had it in the washer, totally forgot, ended up taking a nap at the end of the day because we'd had a busy, chaotic out of the house day. And so we're like, well, we'll just try the quilt. And then it was probably still too hot to put the quilt on or the comforter on last night, but we did it. But now I'm just ready, like the comforter's out, so let's just get the room ready for fall. And then from there, I'm gonna move on to just other fall prep based cleaning. Three major projects in mind today that I was going to do, but now the second one is going to have to wait because I am out of air filters. So I'm going to have to wait till I have an air filter to be able to actually clean out the air filter and replace it, because you kind of need an air filter to replace it. So step number 3 is going to be getting a step stool going up here and taking all of the paper goods that were bought at Sam's Club recently and get them all up in this space right here, or on top of this unit right here, and to try to have it as organized as possible and see what else I need to pick up for paper goods for fall and winter. We usually try to keep paper plates on hand just in case like one of us doesn't feel good, the dishes don't get washed, that way we can still have plates to eat off of. And then also the holiday weekends, we usually eat off of paper plates more often. It's not like an everyday thing, just for special occasions or emergencies or sick days. So I still want them to have like a place up here to be able to put them. I did have to put like all the kids' beach towels. I bought them extra beach towels when they went to the camp this year, because they needed one for bath and one for swimming. So, and we didn't have that many. So now they're all up here though, because they don't have room in their bathroom for them. So now I've got to try to figure out where to put the paper goods. And I don't really, my light is not coming on. The light switch is on. It's not coming on. You can kind of see it glowing. It's been acting up a little bit. I don't know if it's just, I don't know. So this is the before, and here is the after. I just moved the tissue boxes over, rearranged the drink filters. Yeah, they're kind of crooked, but it's just because of the almost finished off pack of napkins there, and somebody accidentally opened that one, not knowing that there was still some in there because they were hidden behind there. It's a disposable pan that we were going to use to take a meal to somebody else, and then we ended up not needing it. And then fall paper plates, plastic cups, and plastic silverware stay towards the back, because those are the ones I try to use the absolute least, unless we just 100% need them. Because cups and silverware and dishwasher, it's not a big of a deal, whereas plates, we have like enough for like one meal for our family. So the plates are down here, and then the bowls are right here. I did decide to go with bowls to try to do some easier breakfast over Thanksgiving weekend. So that's where that all ended up.